In the name of Jesus, thy we shall be our. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, hello, brothers and sisters. If you believe that ChatGPT is the sole AI tool capable of performing various tasks, you may be mistaken. There are numerous AI companies out there, and one in particular has captured my interest, Grammarly. While Grammarly initially gained recognition for its grammar checking and plagiarism detection services, it has since evolved into a comprehensive AI tool. Yes, today Grammarly offers such unique features as GrammarlyGo. Today Grammarly offers much more than its original features, including AI-driven text generations and advanced writing assistance. To illustrate its capabilities, I'd like to demonstrate Grammarly in action. Let's take a look. GrammarlyGo is a new and unique feature. It is an exciting new addition to Grammarly's features. This tool allows you to harness the power of AI to generate unique texts or brainstorm ideas. Let me show you how this feature works. Watch what happens when I use this feature to create content about the intersection of priests and business. Here, the AI swiftly crafts a post for me. And what I can do is I can insert it. And then I can continue working on this particular piece. Once the text is generated, you have the option to refine it and perform the plagiarism check. "100% original." You can identify any gaps. You see, the tool detects potential gaps, and artificial intelligence may help you fix and fill those gaps. Once the text is generated, you have the option to refine it and perform a plagiarism check, and undoubtedly this tool is more robust a source for writers compared to the conventional ChatGPT. So, if you are interested in exploring Grammarly and experiencing its capabilities firsthand, please don't hesitate to use the link provided in the description and enjoy the journey. This is a lot of fun, and it's definitely going to help writers who are willing to improve writing skills or want to craft articles, scripts, and any other type of text, whether it's an academic paper or just a poem. Check out Grammarly. Thank you, brothers and sisters. I'm done for today. I hope you enjoyed this overview. In the name of Jesus, thy we shall be our.